So guys, as you can see right now, the screen TCS Tata Consultancy Service started their off-campus drive and hiring for 2020, 2021, and 2022 batches and required qualifications. Guys, arts, commerce, and science graduate can apply for this opportunity, and registration is still open, so you can simply apply for this opportunity. If you are talking about required qualifications, guys, so BCom, BA, BAF, BBI, BA, BBM, BMS, BSc, ITCS, General, BCA, BCS can apply for this opportunity. Arts, commerce, science graduate from these qualifications, guys, and batches 2020, 2021, and 2022 batches can apply for this opportunity. So guys, these are required qualification for this opening, and here's some criteria they have mentioned, like, and guys, here's some age criteria, like your age in between 18 to 28 year of olds, and no percentage criteria, guys, they have mentioned. Okay, so you can simply apply for this opportunity. And guys, test pattern, no coding round, simply numerical ability 26 and verbal ability 24 and reasoning ability, and total questions, guys, 18, and duration 65 minutes they have mentioned. Okay, so you can simply, guys, before applying, you can do check out all these things and simply apply for this opportunity. So how to apply for this opportunity? Here application process they have mentioned. Okay, so before applying, guys, you can do check out all these things step by step. Here they have mentioned two steps for applying for this opportunity. So guys, here you can see register for this opportunity. So registration is still open for this opening. So how to apply for this opportunity, guys? So here you can see next step portal, just click on it. After that, guys, you are redirect to next step portal page. Okay, so here you can see register now, just click on it. If you are new to this platform, if you are already registered, so simply click on login and apply for this opportunity. Okay, suppose you are new to this platform, just click on register now, select IT, and after that you are redirected to registration page. So simply fill some basic details like name, date of birth, and create your login ID and password, guys, and after that simply log in and apply for this opportunity. Okay, now let's move to our next opportunity, which is from Vesta India Private Limited, and they were hiring for diploma trainee role, and required qualification, guys, only diploma candidate can apply for this opportunity. And branches, guys, circuital branches can apply for this opportunity, means double E triple E branches can apply for this opportunity. And batches 2019 to 2022 batches can apply for this opportunity, means fresher batch can also apply for this opportunity. And if you have 2 year of work experience, then you can also apply for this opportunity. And here some skills they mention: having knowledge of electrical and electronics, proficient in Microsoft Office and package requirement. Okay, so here, guys, required qualifications they have mentioned. Okay, and here something more about job description, like responsibility they have mentioned. Okay, so before applying, guys, you can do check out all these thing, and job locations Chennai they have mentioned. Okay, so guys, before applying, you can do check out all these thing and apply for this opportunity. So how to apply for this opportunity? Here you can see apply now, just click on it. After that, you are redirect to apply now page. So here you can see first up to upload your resume, just click on it and upload your resume and fill some basic details for creating your login ID and password. Fill your email ID and re-enter email ID and choose a password. Here some hints are given for password, and retype password and fill some basic details like name and phone number, all these things, guys, and simply click on apply and simply apply for this opportunity. Okay, now let's move to a last opportunity, which is from Larson and Turbo Limited, and they were hiring for same diploma engineering role, and required qualification, guys, diploma in mechanical engineering student can apply for this opportunity, and fresher batch can also apply for this opportunity. Here you can see required experience 0 to 1 year, means 2019 to 2022 batches can apply for this opportunity, and this opportunity posted 21st of May. So simply apply for this opportunity. And job location Surat they have mentioned. Okay, and nothing much they have mentioned, some basic details like job description, basic knowledge of fabrication process, basic knowledge of welding process, and should be interested in working at shop floors, and good communication skills they have mentioned. Okay, so guys, simply apply for this opportunity. So how to apply for this opportunity? Apply, no any criteria for this opening also, so just click on apply. And okay, and here you can see if you are already registered for this opportunity on this platform, means so simply fill your login ID and password and apply for this opportunity. Okay, if you're new to this platform, here you can see new user, just click on it and fill some basic details for creating login ID password, like name, email ID, phone numbers, and confirm password. And after that, simply sign in and apply for this opportunity, guys. Okay, so simply apply for all these three openings. Okay, if you face any problem, you can do comments and you can directly contact us on Instagram. So guys, both apply link and Instagram link given in video description, so check description for more information. Okay, guys, and also before submitting the form, make sure that you are rechecking your form so that there will be no mistake. Okay, guys.